Our commitment to zero discharge concepts has inspired our design teams to push the envelope and create some rather extraordinary tools. We figured out a way to craft equipment with the capacity to operate completely zero discharge and require a minimum volume of water, while utilizing a variety of cleaning agents and producing brilliantly clean results. Today's Trident design is more versatile and feature-inclusive than ever before. The fluid dynamics created with this design directs precise flows of cleaning solution onto a batch of assemblies and under low standoff components. Our unique focus wash technology mitigates shadowing, addresses coverage, and surpasses industry cleanliness standards. We equip Trident with an all stainless steel fluid delivery network with TIG welded manifolds and compression piping. The results of this design increase temperature range capabilities as well as chemical compatibility. Because Trident recycles the wash solution over numerous cycles, the design team built a chemical management system which conserves chemical, minimizes dilution, and maintains the wash solution's integrity. Trident has the ability to monitor chemical concentration in real time, as well as a mixing system to control chemical separation in the wash tank. We segregated Trident's wash solution, chemical concentration, and heating tanks, and developed a fluid distribution which significantly reduced cross-contamination. The control platform developed for Trident combines a simplistic operator experience with a versatile and robust program. To increase process integrity, we added multi-level passwords and increased the size of the intuitive touchscreen interface to enhance the operator's interaction with the cleaning cycle. Trident's operating program now includes the capability to scan assembly barcodes and automatically correlates cleaning results with the specific serial numbers. We equipped Trident with an SQL database server to search SPC records for cleanliness reports by assembly serial number and a combination of date, operator, and pass-fail search terms. Inspired by water, our designs are sophisticated and brilliantly simple. Fast and flexible, powerful and delicate. We're very proud of Trident and its contributions to the electronic manufacturing world, and we hope our commitment to environmental values leaves a lasting impression on this industry.